It's Shell. I just wanted to show you where I stay currently. I'm in this tent that's hidden in the trees there, but I'm in this area it's really beautiful back here. And for right now, I'm the only one back here. It's a place I was at a while ago. So it's not like crazy back here. But it's tucked away from the city. So my goal for today is to work on healing. I have a lot to heal, a lot of wounds, a lot of issues, and I'm just going to try to process them as best I can. Everybody have a great day, and I don't know, keep your head up.